Hi, I'm Sara Laschever. 20% of women say that they never negotiate. Now, if they have kids, I think that's probably not completely true, but the statistic points to an important fact about how women feel about negotiating, which is that we don't like to do it. We don't think we're very good at it. It makes us anxious and uncomfortable, and we worry that if we come off as too aggressive, we might not only elicit a negative response and not get what we want, but we might actually damage our relationship with the person with whom we're negotiating. And so we avoid it, and we sacrifice a lot as a result. We make a lot less money over the course of our careers, we don't progress as rapidly or rise as high as we should, and we miss out on a lot of great opportunities. So I'm going to talk about ways to negotiate that will feel more comfortable for you and that we know work well for women. I'm also going to help you prepare for important negotiations by doing the right research, taking steps to maximize your bargaining power beforehand, role-playing in advance, and then once you get into the room, once you're at the negotiating table, adopting an approach that conveys competence and confidence but doesn't come across as threatening or overly aggressive. I'm also going to share some tips about how to manage that emotional dimension, the anxiety you may feel when you negotiate. I look forward to seeing you in June.